Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson with today's Tàijíquán Tip. In the practices of Tàijíquán, which we often think of as empty-handed, and when we don't, we think of it as holding a sword or a spear. So it's something that I mechanically drive my body's power through the tool into the target, right? In the same way that I mechanically drive my body through the target, like when I elbow somebody or knee them or something, then I do it with a tool. It takes more work, different type of focus, but the same principles. But what if you were using a tool like a firearm or pepper spray, something that essentially allows you to press a button? In order to do that, what I want to have is good alignment, good awareness. I want to have good purchase with my feet, right? So I don't want to be trying to shoot here, and I don't want to be trying to pepper spray when I'm back on my heels or leaning or something. So the art isn't going to require me to be able to drive a lot of power in those circumstances, right? But I may very well be deploying my pepper spray, and at the moment of deployment, I'm still a Tàijíquán person. I'm probably going to be based in my default principles, right? Good footwork, good position of the knees, good alignment, good whole body mechanics, and so on and so forth. And so practicing, and you can do this with an inert trainer or just something like a salt shaker that sort of mimics the idea, but practice your Tai Chi and then imagine deploying the pepper spray, right, from a base. I don't need to deploy oomph, right, and that kinetic force, but it's more about directing myself from a stable platform that encompasses a great deal of awareness, right? So give that a try, and you don't certainly have to use regular old pepper spray either. So enjoy that one, and I wouldn't just go ahead and practice that with firearms unless you're absolutely devastatingly skilled, but the same principle would work for firearms. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.